Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden, coming to you from the beautiful Florida Keys. Today I'm going to show you how I make a quick and easy do-it-yourself hanging basket. Choosing the right planter can be a matter of functionality or preference. The types and colors of pots available are endless. You can choose based on size, color, material, glaze, terracotta, etc. Different pots are right for different jobs. I decorate my porch with hanging plants. Because my porch is subject to high winds, I choose to use plastic nursery pots. Like this one I found at Home Depot on one of my plant hauls. These things can be extremely hard to find, and when you do, they can be quite expensive. If you looked online right now for one of these pots, I think you'd be surprised at how much they cost and how hard they are to find in black or dark brown. These were a great deal at Home Depot for $5 and some cent. They were the cheapest by far that I found anywhere. But I needed some much smaller hanging pots, so I came up with a solution of my own. Try at your own risk. I found these small black pots for $3.18. They're 3-quart, just the size I needed, but you can find whatever size you need. I picked up several in case I'm unable to find them in the future. For the first step, I took a plastic pot and my soldering iron. Now most of these plastic pots have 4 drainage holes in the bottom. I used those to determine where my placement of holes would be on the side. Just under the lip of the pot, I pierced a hole into the pot using the soldering iron. I repeated this until all 4 sides were pierced. Should you choose to do this as I have done, just keep in mind that soldering iron gets extremely hot. Do this at your own risk. You could use anything that can pierce the plastic to make your holes. Now I'll show you what I used for hangers. I use these wire orchid basket hangers. I like them because they're very sturdy. You can use anything you like as long as it's strong enough to hold the pot with your plant and soil. Simply feed 1 wire through each hole, bending the end so that the pot won't slip off. There you have it, a quick and easy hanging planter. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.